We're on the grid in Bahrain, last race of the RSR and the GTE-Pro.
We're starting on P1 and P3. It will be a tough race, 8 hours long.
Both championships are open. It's quite an intensive one and very emotional.
It's the end of an era, end of a legend. It will be epic.
In the beginning, Kevin did a great start. It was a bit of a mess. Then we see the degradation is a bit higher in our car than the competitors, and we start to fall back a little bit.
We had to do our first stop under normal conditions. Some competitors could do it under full course yellow.
We have to keep fighting. We are still on the lead lap. Just have to hope for a safety car really, and then we are somehow back in the game.
Things are going well. Matteo is pushing, I'm pushing, and we are fighting for this.
Our race was lost, but now it looks like 51. Our main opponent in the driver championship has an issue on the gearbox. Let's see how long they can drive with a broken gearbox.
I'm still speechless because we didn't expect to get the win. I'm happy for the team because we score 1-2.
We wanted to end the race with a victory and probably the championships. This we sadly didn't achieve. So yeah, that's the end of an era, that's the end of a legend.
I enjoy every race I spent with these guys, and I hope that we can still write history in the next program next year.